In this video, you will learn how to fix Application Manager not opening in Samsung Mobile. The Application Manager is important because it helps you manage your apps easily. When it doesn't open, you may find it hard to uninstall apps or clear their data. But don't worry, I have some simple solutions for you. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find an option labeled General Management. Tap on it. Now, continue scrolling down until you see Reset. Tap on it. Here you'll find several reset options. Select Reset All Settings. This action will reset all settings on your phone except for security settings, language preferences, accounts, personal data, and configurations for downloaded apps. It's a safe way to refresh your device without losing important information. Tap Reset Settings. After resetting all settings, go back into the Settings menu by following the same steps as before. Scroll down again until you find Software Update. Tap on it, and then select Download and Install. Your device will check for any available updates. If there are updates pending, go ahead and install them. This can resolve underlying issues affecting app management functionalities. Once everything is updated and restarted successfully, try accessing the Application Manager again through Apps. With these adjustments made, resetting settings and ensuring software is up to date, you should now have full access to manage your applications without any issues. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.